Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, the boy Silence coming in the building. Like, comment and subscribe. What go on peeps? Are we there with another?
Bruh.
Mo, where the dark are doing here?
I got this thing on a backyard. Me don't shake it up like a shaker.
Why you do it, Junko?
Banger! But as usual guys, right before getting night, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really help out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright peeps, right before we get tonight guys, please remember to subscribe to my new gaming channel. The new rebooted Sinus Gaming. The link I got there down. Yeah so, I'm gonna pin it also to Gamers 8,000 are we strong. Bang on that link. Subscribe to my new channel please and support me so we can reach a 1,000 there quick and fast and kick off everything. Alright, no more itching. Right into the video. Well I know I done that.
Oh!
What kind of nasty? Oh, what kind of nasty something this?
Why you do it, Junko?
Really?
Oh, thanks, honey.
I made you lunch.
Oh, yum. That looks so good. Are you not eating one?
No, I have a banana and a snack.
Okay. Yeah. I'm starving. Wow, you really cooked me up something good.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like any of these bodysuits?
Yeah, I like them.
Okay. What is that, an onion?
Bruh.
What?
Oh!
What is that?
What? That nasty. That no funny. That no funny. Nigga, you're nasty. You're nasty. You're nasty. That no funny. That nasty, brother.
I sing like Amari. You have to breathe. You have to breathe softly at the end. Peter Town, all in around. Dirty drunk crowd. You see that Amari style? Whoa, Nico, you mash up me life. You see?
Yeah.
You mash up me life.
You mash up me life.
You hear a breathing. Mash up me life.
mash up
Yeah?
my
I want you to sound like me, baby.
Alright.
You look like me. You got a tattoo. You can't use pen writing. No around.
No.
Look like me. I want you to sound like me too.
No.
Never knew say you turn so. You got it?
Yeah. Dance me. Make we try. Me cow. You dirty drunk crow. You mash up my life. Mash up my life. Nico.
Bruh.
Do you want to be that guy? Do you want to be that guy?
Batty boy!
Something alright, yeah.
Hey. For all of you no know what go on, make I give you the story. Make we chat. Cause me like chatting now. So the US government donated 70 beds and some whole heap of equipment and I can maybe say medications and facility things to fight against the big C. That comes up to a total of 700,000 US dollar. Me I tell you from now, me thank you for the assistance, but something alright. USA, you know, just get up and do that, so something alright. Me know what them probably try to do. And let me tell you what the people them are say on the streets. Perfect opportunity for them to go try out them new vaccine.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Bruh.
Blood clot, boy. You call me about what? Blood clot, dog. Almost 7 o'clock in our blood clot evening now. And you tell me after our party. Everybody has tell me about money. And you go suck with the woman bumbo clot. Go on to go experience it for yourself. When I hear about foreign, yes, our money 3 women just get some blood clot rich. Yeah, man. You push the wool. Ali call me daughter and Cherry and my mother, them a look.
Boy, can I tell you? The man right. Enough people think foreign is bed of roses. You see how hard the man have to work for your money? At 7 o'clock in the morning, the man up and lift things. Watermelon and a hustler and make him little money. Enough foreign people have to work hard for your money, and enough people, you know, this is who want vex at Jamaica. Things say them rich and this and that, and them things say foreign life, you just go up there and you just get rich like that. Not knowing that, yo, it rough. Yeah? Take it from me, it rough. Take it from enough of my friend them. Enough time them have to have 2-3 jobs for work, for make little money, to take care of themselves and to take care of them family down a yard. And then some man know when them beg and them ear say, yo, like all a man like him and I say, you know, so I'm not really happy now. Man start carry feelings and man get vexed and say, yo, who you rich and him no want to come help out, man, him forget where him come from, not knowing say him goodly just work for the week and make all a little $400 US, $500 US and them thing there. And them never know that party of it. See? You see that? Me glad him show the realest side of the thing still, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, it's not easy as people think. Them, you have to work hard for your money.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
My dude. Oh my god. Oh, no know what happened? Based on me here on the streets, them man are lucky in the youth there, right? I do not the man never get inside and the man, me no know how he manage to do that, but him do that and escape and run away do not cause that and no man now keep an eye. See, I tell me say one man couldn't go in and one man stay in the car.
You stupid.
You're not. I saw do not nice. A joke this. A real joke this. On a slight man. Officers on a slight. Very slight.
Attention cinema for Merle Grove. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Somebody know what me preach. Some preacher have it on. Then giant lodge. Then full of guard. In I pulpit a preach. Some preacher homosexual.
Run.
My neighbor goat, the whole of the goat them and gone. Why would them take the goat and go away? Under AC, have the bus, the goat them under AC in the bus. The goat them and live life. And look how the farm we are back in La Gemma Tifa come. This is not right. Then if you cut out all of them crap here. And I walk and teach people things because they never have goat or they take goat up in the AC. Nah man, I don't like it. I know good something this.
Alright peeps, hope you enjoy the little video there. I'm enough still, but we'll try to keep the pot bubbling, you know. And as always, I'm gonna beg you please, gamers, remember me have my new channel, the new Sinus Gaming channel. Head over there, the link I got there down here. So yeah, click the link, head over by my new gaming channel, click it because we're on the road. We're on the road for reaching the next 1,000 subscribers. You know, as I've said early on in previous vlogs, I separate the gaming from the entertainment to pretty much please the audience, my two different audience, because some person that cuss about that, some person that say that. So I split it and yeah, I put in some work. I'm gonna try to kick off everything. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Big up on yourself and just go on journey with your boy. Ashoo!
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving out the window. Having 9 3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental.